Hey guys, what's popping? So today, I may be playing. No, later. Yeah, later I may be playing Spin Tires, Minecraft, or Crazy Craft, Roblox, BMG, Spin, PC building, or maybe you could tell me something like the download in Steam. Like I'll show you some stuff that I have, and if you like want to tell me something to download, like you can. I have like all these stuff right here. So you can tell me one of them to download, only one. But if it's like American Truck Simulator, I'll maybe do it. I maybe will do it. Don't get your hopes up yet. So sorry guys, I meant to say um I'll download like more than one if you tell me like maybe like Truck Simulator, American Truck Simulator, Construction Simulator, Dig It Simulator, or air or Gary's mod. How no Unturned, who's your daddy, and like just tell me a couple of these to download. That's all now. Okay, bye.